Hi, in this video we are going to see filters. Let me open my workbook. Here I have a small table. Say for example in your company you have, or in your office you have such a data where you have to apply filter. So what is the use of filter is, say for example we have this data where I just wanted to get the data for the only IT. So we have IT person here or HR, any of them, right? So in this case we have to use the filter and based on that we can, let's see how we can do it. So firstly I have to select the data where I have to apply filter. I have selected it, and if you are on home tab or any other tab, go to data tab, and there you can find filter option. Click on it, and if you observe, we will be having some drop down created, and based on the drop down if you click on this, it will be all will be selected anywhere. If you click, all will be get selected only. If you want to see any particular date data, we can select that one and we can see that. So if I am clicking on here, I am clicking January, and I can see what are the January records are there. So this is the basic use of filter. If I uncheck that, so in filter what are the options we will see? If I am applying any filter on any table or any data, what are the things we will be seeing? So when we first what we have to do, we have to select the data, and from keyboard, like shortcut, right? If you from keyboard, if you are wanted to use shortcut, what we can see, if you see on the screen tip is coming Control Shift L. So from keyboard, if I press Control Shift L, if already filter is there, it will get removed, or if it is not there, it will get updated. So that is the shortcut for that. Once we are able to see the like drop downs, right? For each columns we will be having drop down, and based on that, whichever field we wanted to get it, we can say for example I want only see finance department data, we can do that. After applying finance data, any particular date data I wanted to see, I can very well use that one. So January 1st I want to see, click on the January 1st. Then if I want to see any particular employee data, simply we can click on that and we can see this employee data. This, once we are done with that, say for example we have done with this, now I want to clear. So click on this, you will be having clear filter name, and you can, once you clear, it will be get clear. From here again you will be having unfilter option. If I don't want to see the department, I will just click on the clear filter, it will get removed. And if you have apply a lot of filters are there, and you just wanted to get out of that all filter at the one shot, just click on the filter button again and it will be go away. So first one time if you click, filter will be applied like that. We can see that the drop downs. If you again we click, it will be go away. So this is how we can remove filter. And there is one more option is there, Alt D F F. If you press Alt D F F, that is the also shortcut for the Alt. Then we have to press F, then F. So what happens when we click on, what happens when we click on the Alt button? If you observe, each like this tabs, right, that their data will, like say for example what is A for data, R for review, right? If I click A, then again it get highlighted like all whatever the data available on the this tab, it get highlighted. Then if I press T, it get selected here. Another option is there, if I press Alt D F F, so what happens is it gets select the filter here. Okay, so this is even for other options, right? If you want to select, go to the some other option, I will just keep here the data. I press Alt, so it will get highlighted. Then I'll press A, and if you want to find out something like sort by this one, right, multi or ST, I click on ST, and the data will get sorted immediately wherever I have the cursor available. Hope this, like, it will be work for the all commands, and it will be visible. So say for example I want to go insert, press N, and from N we will be having all these options, which one we want. For each command, at the first we have one letter, and that letter we can press it, and that we can have that command run. Now what are the option we are getting on filter? So when any if this column belongs to the one number, it contain all the numbers, when we click on this we will be getting number filter option, and there we will be having some logical filter as well, like equal to, if value belong to the sum that is equal to the one particular number, it will be there. Does not equal to, opposite to that, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average, and custom filter. Once we click on the custom filter, we will be having very simple drop down, and we will be able to get at the almost every function. So this one is also number. If you observe, I am getting the number filter here. If I click, I do. Then again, if I am going on any test where any column where whole thing is in the test, so that time we will be getting test filter. If you observe, it become to the test filter. Before that we were having as a number filter here. Department, this is the test, we will be getting test filter. If I click on the date, if you see, I am getting the date filter. So based on the what value this column having, okay, based on that it will be determined that whether date filter has to be. In date filter we will be equal to before, after, tomorrow, right, yesterday, today, next week, last week, next year, this month, last month, next quarter, this quarter, last quarter, next year, this year, last year, right, yet to date, all dates in the. Then we will be quarter 1, quarter 2, January, February, March, April, like this. If I want to see January data, if I click on that, all the January data will be get highlighted. If you want to see the February data here, if I go here, not in range, I will click on February. Any data is February, it will be get highlighted, but as of now we don't have any February data, it's not getting. So hope you understand. Let's see some more. What are in the date? Again, custom filter is there, so where you will be able to less than, equal to, not equal to. Then we will be having and or. This one also, and another does not equal to this or equal to this, like those multiple way of this multiple logical statement conditions we can give, and the filter will be applied based on that. So hope you have understand about this. And also there is, like, if you have put, as of now, one more thing is there, last one I think here, if there is one more option is there, color filter, but as of now it is not we cannot click here, we can see here, but in the case if we have different colors, if I put some different color here, if I filter this different color, some color here, and now if I put filter, now the color filter is available here, and we can choose which color we want to filter, this color, or no field. So if I click on the this color, the all those whatever the cell we have highlighted in that color, it came here. If I have green color, wanted to see green color, it is coming. If I want to see as a no fill color, the whole thing we can see other than those colors, so those colors is not visible. We can, one more thing we can observe here, we have the one sort, this sort A to Z, sort to Z to A, and sort by color option is also available. So if I click on this sort by color, if you see all the those data getting sorted, so that is also the sort function is also available only, but these two. So hope you have understand how we can do the basic sort, how we can apply the basic sort function. And the shortcut is for Control L, or else we can go Alt F and sorry Control FF, Alt FF, sorry, if I put Alt FF, Control FF, sorry, the shortcut is actually Alt D FF. So let me change it, Alt D plus FF. So you have to press Alt, release that D FF. So this one is another one, Control Shift L. So these two functions, these two shortcuts are there. So hope you understand this one. Thank you so much for watching. In next video we will be covering that advanced filter option is there, here is available, and if we cover then this video will be a little lengthy, so I just wanted to have a separate session for that. So thank you so much for watching, and that's all for this video.